Dear Honorable Prime Minister, my name is Deborah. I am 9 years old from Manipur, India. With a great concern and a heavy heart, I am reaching out to you through this video to express my concerns and seek your assistance for the innocent people of Manipur. I have a deep love for my beautiful state of Manipur. However, we are currently facing numerous challenges that are greatly affecting the lives of innocent people. The impact of violence on our communities have been profound and devastating. Countless churches, villages, and houses have been reduced to ashes, and tragically, many innocent lives have been lost. Despite the Home Minister's declaration for peace, the cycle of violence persists. Many children and students like me are stranded in a vast and dense jungle, far away from their homes and schools, uncertain about the future. The constant conflict and violence have put us in distress, and we constantly live in fear, seeking safety whenever there is another attack. Our dreams and aspirations for a better future seems distant and unattainable under these circumstances. Therefore, dear Prime Minister, I wholeheartedly request your kind attention and intervention in addressing the critical issue faced by the innocent people of Manipur. Your intervention will have a significant impact on the lives of students and the future of Manipur, India. Thank you for taking time to listen to my heartfelt plea. Yours sincerely, Deborah.